If you want to get iPhone ringtone on a Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all we need to go to the Play Store. Over here in Play Store we need to download a third-party app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So I'm gonna go to search, then over here at the top we're gonna use the search field, and we can simply type iPhone ringtone. There we go. Now you should be able to find many example apps that, at least in theory, should be able to allow you to get an iPhone ringtone. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna show you how to use it in order to get the iPhone ringtone. But feel free to try any other app in case you do not like this one or it doesn't work for you properly. So let's wait for the app to be installed and then let's open it. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime, so you should be able to skip them whenever you can. You want to allow the app to use the music and audio, so that of course the app can save the audio. We can also need to go to change system settings over here to allow the app this permission, so that the app can change the ringtone for us. And then over here we have the list of different iPhone ringtones, so we should be able to tap on them and we can of course have a listen. And once you find the ringtone that you wish to use, you want to tap on the three dots that we have on the right side. Then in here we should be able to tap on the ringtone option. There we go, in here. Of course we need to wait for the ad again. And once we close it, we should be able to see this message that we have set the ringtone successfully. So we're gonna press OK. Of course, it is worth making sure that the ringtone has been set successfully. So I'm gonna go to settings and choose sounds and vibration. In here, we can just go to the ringtone, and usually you should be able to find it here in custom. It should be added, and as you can hear, it is indeed updated. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.